Hello and welcome to our presentation. Today we'll be discussing the top customers report found in the customer section of Communique for Marketplaces. My name is Tom and I'll be your presenter for this video. Communique for Marketplaces is an enterprise-level cloud reporting platform designed for e-commerce merchants just like you. Communique features over 220 standard reports, dashboards, and utilities. It is remarkably intuitive and easy to use. In no time you'll be running reports just like a pro. The top customers report displays a list of your best customers based on their product sales for the period selected and the filters applied. The top customers report is a specialized customer relationship management report. This report provides advanced filtering capabilities to segment customers for effective marketing campaigns, promotions, and engagements. You'll be able to target the right customers at the right time for the right promotions. It is also a very effective tool for customer sales analysis, data mining, and business intelligence. Let's get started with the top customers report presentation for Marketplace Reporting. Go to the Customers menu located in the ribbon bar and click for the drop-down menu. Select the top customers report. Right mouse click anywhere in the report and select Search from the pop-up menu. Let's discuss the available filters for this report. The date range option located upper left of the data filters is set to the last 90 days by default. You can select any date range you like using the selectors. In addition to the date selectors, you can manually adjust the starting and ending dates to whatever date range you require. In the lower left of the data filters are date options which determine which date type is used for selecting sales data. The order date is selected by default. The order date is the preferred date when generating customer reports. The next set of filters we'll review are the filter options found in the upper right of the data filters. Let's look at each of the filters and discuss their significance when filtering top customers. The top filter is set to 25 by default. You can click on the down arrow of the combo box and select from any of the 12 values listed. In addition to the 12 values listed, you can manually enter any value you require. Enter the value 21 in the edit portion of the combo box. The report will list the top 21 customers by sales. To the right of the top values combo box is the percent option. Toggling on this option changes the top value from the top 21 customers to the top 21% of customers. The difference between 21 customers and 21% of all customers can be huge. It will result in a vast difference in the number of customers listed for this report. Depending on the number of customers in your database, the results generated could be in the thousands. The number of order filters sets the minimum number of orders placed by the buyer within the period selected and filters applied. You can set this number to whatever value you require, but the minimum number is 1. The sales amount filter sets the floor for sales evaluation. You can set this amount to whatever value you require. Setting the sales amount filter to 0 ignores this value for filtering. Any value entered for filtering automatically uses the greater than or equal to comparison operator. You can change the default comparison operator by selecting an operator from the combo box located next to the filter. You can select equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. If you want to select no comparison operator and use the default instead, then select the blank entry. The next filter option we'll review is a use billing address instead. By default, the report uses the ship to state and country when filtering by countries or states. Selecting this option changes the filtering to billing state and country. The next options are display orders and items. This option enables data nesting for drill downs to customer orders and products. Explained simply, when these options are enabled, you can select a customer and view their orders and products purchased during the period selected and filters applied. The next set of filters is the order status options. The default status is shipped and pending. You can include canceled orders depending on your objective. The next set of filters are the sales numbers options. By default, revenue is selected. Revenue comprises the sales plus ship fees plus taxes minus discounts and coupons. The product sales option ignores the revenue modifiers and is focused on product sales only. The data filters for this report include additional filter tabs located at the bottom. You can filter by countries, customers, fulfillments, groups, marketplaces, orders, pay methods, referrals, ship service, states, and warehouses. Now that we've entered filter values and selected a few options, click on the Marketplaces filter tab. You will see various marketplaces listed in the available list. Since you cannot market to Amazon and Walmart customers, we'll limit the list of those you can. From the available list, select Google Express, Manual Orders, Sewer's Delight, Sewing Boutique, Sewing Depot, Sewing Outlet. These marketplace selections will limit report results to customers with sales only in those marketplaces. Click the Apply button to apply the filters to the top customers report. As you can see, there are 21 customers displayed for this report. The very same number set in the top filter of the data filters. Let's go back to the data filters and toggle on the percent option. Once the percent option has been toggled on, click the Apply button to apply the changes. As you can see, there are 1,092 customers displayed for this report. Let's look at the data columns for this report so we can explain what they represent. The ID and customer columns provides general information about the customer. The remaining columns are totals for each data point based on the period selected and filters applied. The orders and units column represents the total number of orders and units purchased by the customer. The sales column represents the total product sales for orders. The taxes column represents the total sales tax collected from customers for their purchases. The ship fee column represents the shipping amount collected from customers to ship their orders. The discounts and coupon columns represent the promotion and incentive amounts applied to orders. The revenue column represents the total amount charged to customer for their orders. The revenue column comprises the sales plus ship fees plus taxes minus discounts and coupons. The COGS column is the total cost of goods sold. The cost of goods is the cost per unit multiplied by units sold. The cost per unit can be the actual vendor cost or it can be a combination of costs reflecting the landed cost for the product. The ship cost column represents the total cost paid by the merchant to ship orders to customers for their purchases. The fees column represents the amount paid for marketplace sales and payment processing. The fees percent column represents the percentage of fees paid for marketplace sales and payment processing. The gross margin column represents the net amount or sales profit after revenue is tallied and costs are subtracted, including sales tax. The gross margin percent represents the percentage of the net amount or sales profit in relation to net revenue. The last date and days column work together. The last date is the last recorded sales date for the customer. The days column is the number of days since last sale. The days represent the number of days between today and the last date. The report footer contains the grand totals and averages of each column for all customers displayed in this report. Now that we've explained this report and respective data points, let's show you an interesting feature I believe you'll find useful. Recall the display option we discussed when reviewing the data filters. Let's go back to the data filters. Toggle off the percent option so the report will display 21 customers. Select the display option so we can demonstrate how the drill down feature operates. When done selecting the option, go to the Apply button and apply the changes to the report. Next to the customer IDs, you'll see a right pointing arrow. The highlighted customer has one order. Go to the sixth item with 16 orders. Click on the arrow to display the selected customer's orders. All 16 orders are now displayed. Look at the subfooter for the 16 orders. You will see that the totals match the same as the customer record. Pick the next customer and do the same as above. I think you get the idea how drill downs work. Look to the top left of the report. You will see a Chart View tab. This report supports Chart View. Review our Chart View feature video for more detailed information on how to use this feature with reports. All top and best sales reports have a similar layout to the top customers report. You can use the lessons learned with this presentation for those reports. This concludes our presentation of top customers report found in the customer section of Communique for Marketplaces. In summary, the top customers report is an easy to use report for customer sales analysis, data mining, and business intelligence. Reports are crucial for any business, especially yours. Marketplace reporting provides you with better reports so you can have better results for your business. You can contact us at sales@marketplacereporting.com to learn more about marketplace reporting and how we can help. You can join the conversation at marketplacereporting.com/blog. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share with your colleagues. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.